Sakinur, and in this video I am gonna show you how to remove the Powered by Shopify from any Shopify theme and within just 2 minutes. So you need to go to your theme dashboards and then click here 3 dots and then click on edit code, and on the search bar search for footer, and you can see footer.liquid. So click on it, and then if you use Windows then Control F, and if you use Mac then Command F, and search here power, and you can see powered by link. So just remove that line and save it. So it will completely remove that powered by Shopify from footer of your website.